Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to add claims to registered users who already have roles. Okay, this is in continuation to the previous video of role-based authentication. Um, okay, so we will be using the same program that we used for role-based authentication. So here we already have users who have assigned roles. So we will use them for claims. So we have uh, 4 users who have assigned roles. One is admin and 3 are employee, and we will be assigning them claims. Okay. Alright, so let's begin. So first thing we have to make is make some changes to the program.cs that we have in order to have claims. So this was the program.cs created for roles. Now we are going to make some changes in it to have roles. I'll just copy that and make it fast. Just above the builder.build. Okay, so we will add builder.services.add razor pages, then builder.services.add authorization, option.add policy, and these are a few policies that we are assigning. Save it. Okay, no more nuggets to add here, so simple workarounds. No more changes to the application DB context. So let's move ahead and create an access claims controller. Empty controller, which has let's name it as access claims. Okay, I'll copy the content soon. Yes, so what we used role manager, we used user manager. Application DB context won't be used here, so I have not initialized it, just called it. Maybe I'll use it in the future. Okay, so role manager and user manager are initialized. Index and index is there to assign is there to access the view for anyone who is an employee. Whoever is there, I mean employee or admin, whoever is there can access the index. Okay, and okay, so assigned claims will be accessible to admin only. Get and post. After the claims has been done, that is assigned to admin only, and then we are assigning policy to the HR's page, to the manager's page, to the anonymous. No policies to the anonymous. Okay, so HR, manager, and I guess there is another one, customer. We haven't used that one, so I'm using it for HR and manager. Yeah, customer I haven't used it because that's for outside users. So let's begin. Okay, I'll. Uh, design the pages and I will show you. So guys, this is how we are adding blank pages to the HR only, manager only, anonymous, and then designing it after looking at the blank page. So manager's page is one more page, and then I'll show you how it's working. Okay guys, so all the pages have been created. Now I'll show you one by one. Index. Okay, so this one is for index. It will have buttons. It's accessible. Index is accessible to everyone. No, it should be only accessible to employees and admin. 1 second. Yes, to employees and admin. Roles with admin and employees are able to access all the open actions. However, the actions fixed with one role is accessible to that person only, and the others are not. Okay, so index is accessible to both admin and employee. All other registered users are not able to access that. Okay, and assign claims. Okay, let me show you the view. Index has this view which has buttons, and it's giving us access to other pages. It's taking us to other pages, to HR's page, to manager, to assign claims, to anonymous. Okay, now assign claims will have admin access, both get and post. Assign claims has a view of text boxes which asks for the email ID and the claims head that you want to assign it to, and the claims value. Okay, so you can have a look at this. Now the next, claims done. This is the confirmation page, so just a confirmation message that the claim has been created. The HR's page is only accessible to the HR, so it only posts a message. This page is accessible to the HR employees only. Manager has access to the manager claims employees, and it has a message that this is accessible to management employees only. And then anonymous is accessible to both admin and uh, uh, employees. So this is an anonymous page. Okay, alright, so let's go ahead and start running it and assigning some roles. Let's put a breakpoint here on the post and see what's wrong. I'm sorry, what's right. Okay, so what we are going to do is assign claims. I'm not sure if it's there in the layout. It's probably not there. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry, I'll have to stop it because I do not have the link to assign pages in yeah, in the layout. So products, let's have it somewhere here. Assign claims and access claims. Is the controller. Okay, perfect. Am I missing anything? Okay, fine. Alright guys, now if I try to assign claims, it will ask me for a login. Privacy I'm able to open, home I'm able to open. So login, if I'm using by any other username, so like an employee, I will be able to log in, but I will not be able to uh, get into assign claims. Perfect. Logged out, login as admin. Go to assign claims. Now I have to assign. Okay, I'm logged in as admin, so I won't be able to access HR. Denied. Won't be able to access manager. Won't be able to access assign claim. Oh, sorry, assign claims I'm able to access. The other one I'm able to. Okay, let's see. Let's assign this to one user. So we have three users with roles. Let's assign them with employee roles. So these are the three users which have employee roles: 67, A7, F7. Okay, so Usha, Kailas and Kishore. Okay, so let's assign Usha. In claims head, let's put Usha as a manager. And okay, this claims head, this should match uh, this should match your keyword. Where is my programs? This keyword. Okay, this keyword, it should match that keyword, the claims head. Okay, uh, claims value is management and I'm saving it. Okay, it's a build and it's going to, yeah, we sent all the variables in the parameter. So user email, claims name or the claims head and the claims value, and then find by name is using this email to make it an identity user. Okay, this is not just assigning a value, it's making it an identity user. Okay, so even though it got the email, but it's used as an identity user. Okay, so add claims async will use this identity user value and then the head and the value. Continue. Claims created successfully. Okay, now let's go here. See, we got one claims assigned. It's an employee and has the management role, the management claim. Now let's assign another guy. Manager is already assigned. Let's assign an HR. Okay, so Usha is already assigned. Now let's assign Kishore as an HR. Claims head is the keyword that's matching the one that's in your program files in the program.cs. Okay, you can use it as a drop down. We can get this policies in using a drop down. I might be able to show it in a different program, but not this one. Okay, I'm already yeah, walked down the codes. So okay, so claims created successfully. Check here. We have two claims now. Okay, let's leave the other one. Okay, one that's Kailash, let's leave it blank. So we have two uh, user claims who are employees. Alright, now log in as the one that is not assigned. So Kailash, we haven't. Kailash is just an employee and has no claims. Okay, logged in. Now go to assign claims. He doesn't have access to assign claims. He's just a normal user. Okay, so he will have access to products, but he's an employee, so he is able to access the products. Okay, let's see the products controller. Where is it? uh, Probably closed it. Products controller is accessible by employees, so he's able to access products controller, but assign claims is not. I guess assign claims was accessible by employees too. Then why is he not? Oh, we did not. No, he is an employee. Index index should be assigned. Should be able to. What's wrong? I'm sorry. Let me check that. Sorry guys, I made a mistake here. Employees. This is not employee. This is employees. And the products controller has employees. That's why. Okay. So save it. Logged in as Kailash, and I'm trying to get into assign claims. I'm able to assign, get into it. Look for Anonymous. Anonymous is accessible to Kailash, even though he is an employee, but he doesn't have any claims. And now if he tries to get into any other options from them, he has an access denied page. Okay, so he cannot assign he cannot access anything else. Alright, let's log him out and let's log in as a different user. Now let's go ahead with Kishore. Kishore is an HR. So Kishore logged in and he has access to privacy, he has access to products, he has access to assign claims, he has access to anonymous in assign claims. If he tries to access manager, he is denied. If he tries to get into assign claims, he is denied. If he tries to get into HR, he is able to access that page. Log him out. Kishore worked as an HR. Now the last one I think is Usha. F7 Kishore and 67. Yeah, Usha. Alright, so let's log in with Usha. And we are able to access privacy with that ID. We are able to access assign claims. We are trying to get into HR, we get an access denied. We are trying to get an assign claims, we are denied. And we get into anonymous, we are able to get into it. Get into manager, he's able to this page is able to access to management employees only. Okay, so Usha is able to access management employees. So that's all guys. So you saw like how it worked for uh, the policies. Authorized policy, which has management, which has HR, which has admin. Admin is a role. Okay, and without them, only employees and admins are able to access all other pages. um, so pretty much if you want to have a look at the codes, access claims controller is the one that is created for access claims. I haven't used this context application TP context in this program. Maybe I'll use that in a different one. So initialize the role manager and the user manager. User manager is used in assign claims. We are using the email, the claims head, and the value. So user, I'm using the email to get into a value of user, because this converts it, this var user, it becomes like an identity user. Okay, so we can use this value as an identity user in add claims. We cannot use an email directly in the add claims, that's why. and then claims name is the head, claims value is the description, and then it saves it as a claims value. Okay, so yep, that's all guys. Pretty much that's all for today. If you want to have a look up at the role-based authentication, that's the previous video of this one. You can have a look at it and keep watching. Stay tuned with us and give us your support. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your day. Have a good day. Bye.